On the porgy, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the little blood line here. So we're gonna cut out the little center. We're gonna make sure that there's no skin. We don't wanna eat that skin. The skin can make it a little bit tough.
So cut along the red line, right?
Cut that red line out, yes.
Good to use a good knife.
You want a good sharp knife.
Now, there are restaurants in the world now that are called crudo restaurants.
There are places in the
Oh
world.
gosh, yes, and they're just taking the fresh fish and cutting it up and making it into, and how did you cut that? Okay, just into chunks?
Yep, same thing. Cut it a little bit of an angle. We're gonna put all that on one plate. And then what we're gonna do is we have some toasted pine nuts here. We're gonna put a little bit of pine nuts with the porgy. I like to actually put it right on top of the fish. And then with the porgy, we're gonna do lemon. Don't put too much though. You wanna be careful. You just want a little bit, because otherwise you're gonna dilute the fish.
You're not making ceviche.
Exactly. We're gonna go salt.
Thank you. So I'm using Fleur de sel, as
Yep.
you are.
We're gonna do pepper. The most important ingredient other than the fish is good quality extra virgin. Make sure you get the oil on the fish. So you
Oh,
like
boy.
me, I like pepper over there. You like it like me. I like a lot of salt.
Oh, so do I. These are beautiful platters. What do you think?
Outstanding.
Oh my gosh. Now, forks are not the right implement. We must find some chopsticks.
Oh, I don't know about that. You can use your fingers if you don't want to use a fork.
This is raw fish at its very best.